In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit the display section available here. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or switch it off. If you want to, you can also tap on adaptive brightness on the left to manage it from here and read about it below it. Most people miss though that you can also go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice and click on this sun icon on the right next to your brightness slider to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!